Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T2 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, of course the general settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find security. Then let's scroll down to find encryption credentials, and as you can see at the very bottom of this list we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.